Okay, so I want to just talk a little bit about celebration. Obviously, right now we have our celebration brochure that's going on through March 31st. Also, Stampin' Up came out with, oh, you guys, I got some lunch or something on my paper, with the coordination product release, which is really fun. It coordinates with some of the celebration things, but it also coordinates with some of the things that are in the actual annual catalog. So it's a really fun way to bring some of those things back. I don't know if you guys saw before Jill left, she did a video using this, the DSP, this Pleased as Punch DSP, and the coordinating punches, which was really cute. So next, I want to talk about the new celebration stuff. This is coming out on Tuesday, and it is so cute. I'm so excited about the second release of stuff. I just want to show you. First, this paper. I'm going to be showing more with this in just a minute. But I feel like the catalog doesn't do justice to how beautiful this foil paper is. It is gorgeous paper, and it has different metallics. So it's like a copper and a silver in there, so that it's not just one. I love the kind of that contrast of the two together. There is this stamp set, Rise and Shine. It coordinates with the cup of cheer from the holiday catalog. So it's cute. I mean, we love those little mugs, and so fun. Another, the Well Dressed, and then this vellum. It's this So Very Vellum specialty. It's so pretty. So there's a Highland Heather color, a soft seafoam color, and a pool party color. And it's textured, embossed. It's so cute. And then there's this stamp set that we're using today. This is one of my favorite stamp sets. I have been loving it. I love the sayings in it. In fact, let me show you some of the cards that, so I played a little bit. Here's that cute mug one, the Rise and Shine one with the cute mugs. And I love, it's one of those you can stamp on both sides, so you get both directions of mug. Super cute. This one I was on Pinterest and I was looking for color schemes, and something came up with like this design, and I'm like, that's really cute. So I color blocked it, kind of. Anyway, kind of cute. This is this stamp set, this Tags in Bloom set. I used the vellum here. I loved this, and I'm so weird. I love this saying, I miss your face. Like, I would totally say that to somebody. And I remember when I stamped this and showed Jill, she was like, oh, okay. But I love that saying. It's so something I would say. So yeah, I'm going to send it to Jill just because of that. But yeah, so I loved that stamp set. But the paper, so this paper, you guys, I am in love with, and I have played a little bit with it. So I want to just show some of the different things you can do with this paper. It kind of shows in the brochure just coloring it. Do you see the different coloring techniques that they've used on it? So if you kind of look through, you can see what I'm going to do. But I wanted to just show you a few different ways to color it. So this I spritzed it. I put alcohol and Highland Heather and the shimmer paint in a spritzer, and I just sprayed it, and it gave it like this pretty iridescent-y look with that touch of purple, which I thought was so pretty. On this one, I used a brayer, and I used the Night of Navy. Can you see it? So cool. So you can make it any color, obviously, but that's a really easy way to add the color. This one, I used an aqua painter, and I just painted the flowers. I used Blackberry Bliss on the flowers, and then I did the background with Balmy Blue, and then I just left these flowers white because I thought that was so cute. So many ways you can color it. My favorite is the blends. If you know me at all, you know I'm a huge blends gal. I love to color with them and use them. So I want to show you some different things I did using the blends. I'll show you this card first. So using the different colors, I colored that. I mean, look at the difference. I mean, this is beautiful too, but adding the color to it just adds so much, I feel like. So pretty. Here's a different couple ways you can use the blends. So on this one, I did an ombre technique. If you've watched our videos before, I've done a video called the backwards blends, and it's a really cool technique. When you use the alcohol markers, they bleed through onto the other side of your paper. Usually that's like it's a mess, whatever, but I think it can make a really cool technique on the other side. So I just ombre'd this. I used the Pretty Peacock and Mint Macaron, or macaroon, however you want to say it, and it gave a cool ombre technique there. So the cool thing about it is when you use the blends on the foil, it can dull the look of your foil. That's why coloring it on the back, you're not going to dull the foil look. So it's a great way to get that color with the blends without ruining the paper. On this one, I completely 100% colored it on the back, and it just bled through. So it gives it almost a softer look on the back. Can you see? So this color scheme is Rococo Rose and Pretty Peacock and Mint Macaron, and then the middles are Petal Pink. And yeah, 100% colored on the back. This one, it's the same color scheme. I didn't do the background, but I actually used the blends and blended on the back. This one I just colored with the blends. I didn't do the blending. So you can see on the back I completely blended it, but on the other side it gives it kind of that, like it doesn't completely blend all the way, so it just gives it a little more dimension to it, which is really fun. So a couple different ways that you can use this and color your paper. I think it is so much fun.